Today I was able to have a trading session with Quotex that I really wanted to actually share with you because I've been trading with Turbo for a long time and I want to make sure that you fully understand what it takes to actually trade Turbo with whichever broker you're using. But I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to make $600 in profit. Even though it wasn't that easy, I want to share it with you. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, I'm going to show you my latest live session with Quotex. But more importantly, we're going to talk about if the Turbo strategy is actually good or not. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification of every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. Here's a huge warning before I actually jump into the content of this video. This is not by far financial advice and I'm not a legal financial advisor. I'm just a regular trader that basically shows you what I'm doing, and maybe you want to do something similar. But I want you to fully understand that all the information that I'm telling you right here, it's purely for education and is not by far any advice or guarantees that you're gonna have the same results, okay? Trading involves a high risk and I want you to really take it in consideration before jumping in with real money. So now with that being said, let's jump into the video. All right, so the first thing that I want to do is actually show you my live trades. Now, in order for me to show you my live trades with Quotex, there's just one clip that I personally have, which is this baby right here. And we're actually going to talk about that. I started by pretty much analyzing what was going to be my entry point, and it was this one right here. Why? Because I have a trading zone in that specific session on this retraction that happened right here. So this is exactly what I'm waiting for. Now, is that guaranteed? Obviously not, right? I didn't even use the pending order feature with this specific session, basically because it wasn't necessary, all right? The price was already in the zone. Now, this trade actually became quite risky when it started jumping, and I realized that it actually even broke the trading zone. I was like, okay, maybe, yeah, it got inside of the zone, but now it's gonna start dropping. I didn't analyze this trade as good as I should have. Now you can see that I actually started losing two positions. I won one, I'm sorry, and the other one I already lost it. But then I have other two positions right here, 50 seconds left that I was waiting for, 18 seconds and stuff, and I was like still waiting for the final result. This was on GBP CAD. Now if you can see, I lost both of them. So what I decided to do was to actually, hey, I know my analysis is actually good, but you got to jump into a new pair. But I did have a couple more entries in this trade right here. Once I actually lost the other positions, I decided to enter one more time. But then I jump into another pair, which was this one, Euro JPY. Now, the zone, again, is drawn by this pretty much right here. This is what I was waiting for. Now, the price can go like this. Yeah, it can. But I was actually looking for the respected resistance point. Now, with this one, I was a lot more aggressive because I realized, first of all, that I was losing money. And I'm willing to lose that money, all right? You don't have to do the exact same thing. You can do it with $1 to avoid risks and stuff like that. So I have more entries because the 50 SMA was actually being touched at that specific moment. So I was like, okay, there's got to be a retraction. I did not know how the retraction was actually going to go. Now, I made some money with the previous trade, and I even put my profits into it. Take a look at my balance right now. It's at $37 right there. So the price then, obviously I lost the first positions, but then the prices started to drop a lot. Okay, so it started to give me some pretty good results once the candlesticks started to expire. Look, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, and I was even unsure that I was gonna win those first positions that I won. I won another couple of positions, and then boom, all of the positions started to be winners. Remember that I was at $3,000. Now it was at $2,281, but I was looking at a $1,400 in profits that we were having based on this specific trade. So I won another one. And then the other ones were pretty much kind of scary because the prices started to jump one more time. But then the 50 SMA was completely respected. So I was like, okay, I won those one too. And it brought me to my balance of $3,683. Now, why is this so important? And this is the exact analysis that we were talking about right here. This is what I was looking at. A downtrend, you got respected, and this is what I was looking at. Now, the price had to go all the way to the 50 SMA to actually be brought. But in order for me to explain you this, first, let's go ahead and take a look at my actual profit. If we actually go into the top section, I made $672 in profit just today. Take a look at this trade here, $124,000 in profit. This is crazy. So let me see, 314 trades. And win. Well, crazy. Well, $600 was my actual profit, which is not bad at all considering that I had a $3,000 balance. That basically means that I made around 20% on this specific session. Now, I stopped trading because my emotions were actually starting to control me, and I prefer to actually just get away from it, right? But getting back to the actual analysis, let's go ahead and talk about if the turbo trades are actually good or not. We're not going to talk about the strategy itself, obviously, because I've explained it too many times. But take a look at the actual reason why I went to this area. This was a support level that was broken. Then it was respected once, twice, and even 3 times it was respected. Then it was broken, but obviously there was a change on trending and stuff. But is turbo strategy good? Meaning trading with 1 minute candlesticks and placing 2 minute positions or 1 minute positions, doesn't matter. Honestly, yeah, I mean, it's good. I've been using it, but is it the most profitable way to make money? Honestly, I do believe that it's not. What I mean by it is that with 5 minute candlesticks and 10 minute positions, it's way easier to make money, like way easier to make money. Why? Because the strategies are more respected when the time frame is actually longer. Okay, so I do believe that if you actually have the choice to trade with 1 or 2 minute positions based on or against 5 to 10 minute positions, obviously 5 to 10 minutes will be a lot better. Okay, that's what I think. Now, if you just want to keep on trading turbo, that's fine. You can do it. Honestly, it is good as well. But there you get my answer. Now, a higher time frame strategy would basically be changing this to 5 minute candlesticks. I mean, that would have been the next level, right? And by doing that, you can actually use many different scenarios. For instance, I'm not gonna do the spare because it's not giving me anything, but take a look at this. This is a 5 minute trade. So this could be a good trading zone for 5 minutes, or even here, right? For 5 minutes is the exact same strategy, right? Is the exact same strategy. So if you actually go and have a rectangle right here on the trading zone, this looks like a perfect example, right? So what happens with the 1 minute candlesticks, and we're gonna go back to the same scenario, is that unfortunately, it's easier for the price to not respect the support and resistance levels. I'm not saying that it doesn't, but it's a little bit more volatile, okay? But when you actually change it to a higher time frame, like I'm gonna show you a pocket option video probably in a couple of days, then it's way easier for you to actually catch those entry opportunities. Does that make sense? So if you ask me turbo or higher time frames, I do believe higher higher time frames is the answer. Now, I know I've said a lot, and sometimes we all need some sort of help or support or company when it comes to day trading. So therefore, I want to talk to you about my special and secret signals group for binary options. I know some of you might be familiar with it, but if this is the first time that you've ever hear that I have a signals group, yes, I do. I have a binary options and a Forex signals group, but this time, let me just go ahead and talk to you about the BLW Binary Master App, which is a website that I personally created in order to help you make money with binary options. Sometimes we need that certain, extra confirmation about, hey, should I enter this trade or shouldn't I enter this trade, and so on. So here's the website. And in the website, not only you're gonna find signals from expert traders, but you're also gonna find three things. You're gonna find a complete training when it comes to binary options, specially made by me, with 10 different lessons where I'm going to teach you what are binary options, how to trade binary options, how to choose a broker, how to deposit, and so on. So once you actually go through this training, then you're able to download an application that I've specially made for you as well, that you can install into your MetaTrader 4 and make money with it. It's a signal service application. You install it and you start getting signals immediately for 2 or 3 minute positions telling you, hey, buy here, sell here. It's completely amazing. You can learn more about in blwbinarymasterApp.com. And if that's not enough, we got 2 signal providers who are doing amazingly great. The first one is Marcel, who is by far, I think, the top trader or the best binary trader that I've ever seen. He's even better than me and sending signals. And here he is with over 2,000 members following his signal. It's just amazing. And he actually shares his different schedules. For instance, right here, Monday, he's at 12 GMT, Tuesday and Wednesday, 13 GMT, Thursday, 12:30 GMT, and Friday, 13 GMT. He gives a different schedule every single week. And if that's not enough, we have Pablo Signals now, who is providing a signals to, again, same thing. Doing the analysis for you, placing the signals for you, and showing you exactly how you should be trading with these specific signals. I even have some webinars. Marcel has some webinars as well, where he teaches exactly how to follow his signals and so on. So definitely the invitation is right there, not only for the signals, but also for the training and also for the application. Now, how is it that you're supposed to get into this group? Well, it's actually insanely cheap. If you actually go into the website and go to pricing, you're gonna find different options in order to get it. Marcel offers a $17 mentorship that is optional, but you can actually have the monthly plan for only $49.99 a month, the 6 month for $249.99, and the yearly plan for almost $500 for 1 year of signals, which is insanely cheap. And in the 6 month and the 1 year plan, you have a free mentorship with Marcel. So hopefully I can see you there making money with us. The invitation is right there, blwbinarymasterApp.com. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video, and if you did, smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions or comments to share, you can always use the comment section below, and my team will be happy to reply to you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.